Welcome to the IPS YouTube channel. I'm Plourde, Senior Product Specialist here at IPS, focusing on hazmat response and special operations equipment. Today we're going to do a quick video on minor maintenance and calibration of the QRAE 3 multi-gas monitor. I've got both a pump version as well as a diffusion model here. Before you start doing your calibration, you want to make sure you have all the right components and that your monitor is up and running. Best practice is to let it run for approximately 5 or 10 minutes prior to doing your calibration. During that time, you can get your supplies ready. I've got a 4-in-1 mix, or what we refer to as the 4-in-1 mix calibration gas. I've got my adapter for the pump module. I've got a calibration regulator head. And for those of you that have a diffusion monitor, I have the adapter as well as the calibration tubing for that. The calibration procedure for either monitor is exactly the same. Today we'll do the calibration on the pump version. Prior to doing your calibration, always check your filter. And while you're checking your filter, check the instrument to make sure that the pump is working correctly. You'll get that block pump indication. You can clear that by hitting the icon. I've confirmed that I've got a good operating monitor. Now I can assemble my calibration supplies and do a calibration. To get into the calibration procedure, you depress both operating buttons at the same time, both the on-off button as well as the yes or enter button. I press and hold. I come up with a request for a password. The default password for all RAE Systems products in the QRAE series and multi-RAE series is zeros. I manipulate my buttons to get all 4 zeros. I hit the OK under Select. I'm now in my programming menu. I find my calibration icon. I hit Select. First, it's asking me for a multi-bump, a multi-zero. I'm going to bring the menu down into multi-zero, make my selection, start that. It's going to go through its 30-second fresh air setup. So we've completed our fresh air setup. Takes about 30 seconds. I have pass, 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 and pass for all my sensors. I now hit exit, and it automatically defaults and jumps to the next option, which is my multi-span, my multi-gas span. I'm going to hit select. It gives me my calibration values. I want to take a second, if this is my first time doing it or I haven't done it in a while, confirm that my calibration menu on the instrument, my values match what's on my calibration gas cylinder. If that is all good, I can make the hookup, start, introduce my gas. I can hear the gas flowing. Takes approximately 60 seconds. When the calibration procedure completes, it'll give me my readings. All of my sensors, I've got a pass indication. I'll turn off my calibration gas, disconnect my tubing. I'll hit exit. While that's going on, you can hear the sensors still activating. They'll all clear. Now I've completed my process. I'll scroll down to the exit icon. I select exit, come across to the exit door. I hit select, and now I'm back in my regular operating procedure with a check mark telling me and indicating the end user that this unit's in calibration, ready to go. This concludes our video on the QRAE 3 basic calibration and maintenance. Stay tuned and check back often. On the IPS YouTube channel, we'll be coming out with some videos on the multi-RAEs, the area RAEs, as well as most of the BW gas detection products as well. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe.